Hi, my name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals access jobs in cybersecurity. Making a career change can feel overwhelming, especially when you're stepping into a field like cybersecurity. But the best way to understand what's possible is to hear from someone who's been through the journey. So today I'm excited. I'm joined by Cecilia, who has just completed the Cybersecurity Career Accelerator. Cecilia, thank you so much for joining. I cannot wait to hear about your experience. Before we start, can you just talk a little bit about your experience and where you were before you joined the program?
Hi, I'm Cecilia Yambi, and thanks for having me. Before joining the accelerator program in cybersecurity, I still am actually a medical claim examiner for Canada Life Insurance Company.
Nice. So before you joined the program, what doubts did you have and what were you struggling with?
My main doubts were that I don't have that many technical skills, such as like knowledge in Python and those technical programs that normally they would require. But then I was reassured that I don't really need that many technical skills to actually build a career in cybersecurity.
So has your perspective changed since joining?
I would say that yes, my perspective did change. I became more confident. I learned so much more over the past course of like 12 weeks, actually, going 13 weeks. I've learned so much more. I'm so much more confident. I've learned so much about governance. I've learned about the cybersecurity analyst jobs and different opportunities. And I would say that I'm really confident about applying and actually getting a job in cybersecurity.
Oh, I'm so excited for you. So which part of the program was the most valuable to you? Which did you enjoy the most?
I think the practical part, which were like the homeworks, we did like incident response, um, paperwork. We did so many homeworks and project that we could actually use in a real business setting. That to me was the best part.
Great. And if you were talking to someone who's sitting on the fence about doing this program, what would you tell them?
I would tell them to join because in life you have to try something new. Someone like me, I'm very goal oriented. I always like to try something new. I did everything from banking to medical to I did so many different things in life, and learning a new skills, you can never go wrong with that. In this day and age with AI and things like that, you need to learn new skills so you can stay afloat.
I love that. Thank you so much for being part of the program. And, you're one of those star students that's always happy to present their homework. And that's amazing. Thank you so much, Cecilia. Have a great day.
Thanks for having me.